The 2015 Finnish parliamentary election was held on 19 April 2015, with advance voting from 8 to 14 April. The 200 members of the Finnish Parliament were elected with the proportional method. There were 4,463,333 people entitled to vote in Finland and abroad. Background: previous government parties. The incumbent government was formed by a four-party coalition, composed of the National Coalition Party, Social Democratic Party, Swedish People's Party and the Christian Democrats, as well as the MP for Åland. Left Alliance and the Green League were initially also part of the governing coalition, but both left in 2014. On the 22nd of June 2011, the Parliament elected Jyrki Katainen as Prime Minister by a vote of 118 to 72. Two Left Alliance MPs voted against Katainen, for which they were formally reprimanded by the Left Alliance parliamentary group. They were subsequently expelled from the group, reducing the government majority from 126 MPs to 124. In March 2014, the Left Alliance announced that it was leaving the cabinet, citing the party's opposition to budget cuts in social welfare programs, which had been agreed to by the other five parties. This reduced the government's majority to 112 MPs. In April 2014, Jyrki Katainen announced that he would not seek another term as the chairman of the National Coalition Party. The NCP chose Alexander Stubb as its new chairman in June, and he subsequently became the new Prime Minister. In September 2014, the Green League announced that it was leaving the cabinet. The Greens were opposed to the other governing party's decision to grant Fennovoima a license for building a nuclear power plant in Ppntori. The Greens' departure cut the government's majority to 102 MPs. Changes to the electoral districts. In 2013, the Parliament decided to merge certain electoral districts to create larger districts. The electoral districts of Northern Savonia and North Karelia have been merged into a new district called Savonia-Karelia, while the electoral districts of Kymi and Southern Savonia have been merged into a new district called Southeastern Finland. Opinion polling. Poll results are listed in the table below in reverse chronological order, showing the most recent first. The highest percentage figure in each poll is displayed in bold, and a background shaded in the leading party's color. In the instance that there is a tie, then no figure is shaded. The table uses the date the survey's fieldwork was done, as opposed to the date of publication. However, if the date is unknown, the date of publication will be given instead. Seats. Opinion polls showing seat projections are displayed in the table below. The highest seat figures in each polling survey have the background shaded in the leading party's color. In the instance that there is a tie, then no figure is shaded. 101 seats are required for an absolute majority in the Finnish Parliament. Results. Government formation. As the leader of the largest party, Juha Sipilä of Centre was tasked with forming the new government coalition. In early May, Sipilä announced that he will seek to form a right-leaning majority coalition consisting of the three largest parties, the Centre Party, the Finns Party and the National Coalition Party. The coalition negotiations were successful and led to the formation of the Sipilä cabinet on the 29th of May.